Today, I'm taking on the challenge of debunking 3 major vegan myths that you might have heard. Let's see if I can set the record straight. Vegan myths, misconceptions, misinformation, it's all out there, and it can be really confusing. But today, I want to tackle 3 major myths that I think are really holding people back from considering a plant-based diet. One of the biggest challenges when it comes to talking about veganism is the sheer amount of misinformation out there. It's hard to know what's true and what's not, and that can be really overwhelming. But I think it's really important to remember that we all have a responsibility to look critically at the information that's presented to us. We need to ask questions, do our research, and seek out credible sources. The thing is, these myths and misconceptions can be really damaging. They can make people feel like a vegan lifestyle is impossible, or that it's somehow inferior to a diet that includes animal products. And that's just not true. But the only way we can overcome these myths is by educating ourselves and sharing what we've learned with others. It's not always easy, I get it. But I truly believe that the more we know, the more empowered we are to make positive changes in our lives. So let's dive in and take a closer look at these 3 major vegan myths. Myth number 1, vegans are protein deficient. This one's a biggie, and it's just not true. There are so many plant-based sources of protein out there, from beans and lentils to tofu and tempeh. And with a little bit of planning, it's easy to get enough protein in your diet. In fact, many vegans actually have higher protein intake than non-vegans. Myth number 2, a vegan diet is super expensive. I've heard this one a lot, and it's just not the case. While it's true that some specialty vegan products can be pricey, the staples of a plant-based diet, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, are actually really affordable. And when you consider the long-term health benefits of a vegan lifestyle, it's an investment that's totally worth it. Myth number 3, vegans are somehow less healthy than non-vegans. This one's just not supported by the evidence. In fact, studies have shown that a well-planned vegan diet can actually reduce the risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. And vegans tend to have lower body mass indexes and blood pressure than non-vegans. One of the most shocking revelations for me was just how much misinformation is out there, even among healthcare professionals. I've spoken to doctors and nutritionists who still think that you need dairy to get enough calcium, or that vegans are somehow at risk for protein deficiency. It's just not true, and it's really frustrating to see this kind of misinformation being spread. But the more I learn, the more I realize just how powerful a vegan lifestyle can be. Not just for our health, but for the environment, for animal welfare, and for social justice. It's a lifestyle that's all about compassion, kindness, and respect for all living beings. So what can we take away from all this? I hope that by debunking these myths, we can start to change the conversation around veganism. I hope that we can start to break down the barriers that are keeping people from considering a plant-based diet. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you have any thoughts or questions about these myths, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe for more videos about veganism, plant-based living, and sustainable lifestyle. See you in the next video.